Hello YouTube. Today we will talk about 3 reserved keywords and 3 benefits. First, the const keyword. It used for taking a copy of the variable and pass it to the function or the procedure. Then the function or the procedure take that copy and manipulate it or change it as you want. Using the programming code. I think the job of the const keyword is easy to understand. Let's execute and see. As we can understand from the code, the function call pass the edit1 content. Then the function take it and return it as result. The second keyword is overload. We use the keyword overload to define 2 function or more with the same name. And different parameters. This rule apply on procedures too. As we can see in our example, there is 2 procedures with the name show hello. The first one without parameters. That mean we can call the procedure without passing any argument and we get a message dialog that says hello. This is the first case. Or we can use the procedure call and pass any text between brackets, any string. The compiler will know that we must use the second procedure with a string as parameter. This is one example. We can use, for example, 2 sum functions. One with 2 parameters is integer or float to calculate the sum of 2 numbers. And the other with 3 parameters is integer or float to calculate the sum of 3 numbers. And we must use the keyword overload with every function. Let's execute and see. First, let's use edit1 text as argument. We can see every time we click button 1 we receive a message dialog that says hello plus the edit1 content. Because when we use edit1 text as an argument we call the procedure with 1 parameter. Then we erase edit1 text from the procedure call and let it empty, then we execute. And click button 1 receive a message dialog that says hello only and that according to the code. This time we called the procedure with no parameter. Now let's talk about our third and last keyword. Forward. The keyword forward tell the compiler that the function or the procedure is in the coming code. Because the compiler scan the code from the top to the bottom. And when the compiler find a function or procedure call that he doesn't scan yet, an error occurred. Unless we use the keyword forward to tell it the function or the procedure is in the coming code. In this example we call the function say hello which going to ask you if you want to double this message. If you click no the message dialog will disappear. If you click yes the message dialog will appear 2 more times every time you click yes. Let's execute and see. By reading the code we can conclude that clicking yes call the procedure d hello. Which going to call the procedure say hello twice. We used the keyword forward here because the call of the procedure d hello comes before the block of d hello. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you on the next video.